What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today I'm finally getting this Vermihut all put together. I made a video showing how to set it up. I went ahead and made a video showing the bedding, and then now today I'm actually going to put it all together and add the worms to it. So it's pretty neat. It's got its recycled plastic material. It has a couple pictures of the worms on the lid. It has a coconut mat underneath, the little plastic mat with some holes, let some air in, but hopefully keep the worms out. This is a 5-level system. I won't be using all 5 at first. I'm hoping to start with 2, and then underneath. And then there's a pan underneath to hopefully prevent the worms from going down. And then the basin where, if there is any liquid, it goes, and the spigot's been installed. So here's the bedding. I made this up a few days ago. It's been sitting. I've been checking on the moisture. I did have to add probably about another quart of water. And then in the instructions, it said about placing some paper or some cardboard at the bottom. So because I don't want anything to really try to get underneath, I'm going to, this will be the lower, this one on top will actually be the bottom. So hopefully that helps to prevent the worms from trying to get underneath, and then also help keep the bedding inside the bin. They did say just add this dry, so over time with food scraps, this will get moist. I'm actually adding just a little bit more shredded paper to the bottom, and I still had a little bit of the coconut core. And then top it off with just a little bit of eggshell. And then I'll get this one together. The one that's over there has the cardboard, so that's actually going to be the base. And on this white tray, there's little lips for the corners to sit in, so then you know that it's set in the proper way. So what I've been doing, I have a little t-shirt lid, and this is a gallon bucket. I placed a little piece of like cereal box for plastic to help keep it moist. And the other day I went ahead, I counted up the worms. There was 350 in this little bin. So I harvested castings. Then I've been actually baiting out the baby ones and putting them in here. And actually, to my surprise, I found some cocoons in here the other day, which was pretty cool. And there are some decent sized worms. So and I put a little piece of pumpkin when I was messing with them the other day. So I'm not planning on feeding today. Just kind of let the worms get used to this new area and the material. And then you see. Yeah, so I'm going to just let the worms kind of hang out today. I'm not really going to mess with them too much. They have a whole new area to start looking at, and then I'll go ahead and bring it back next week for its first feeding. I'm very happy to get this worm tower finally made up. And like I said, the starting point is going to be 350 worms. So hopefully in the next couple months to year, we can see this population really start to grow and boom, and start getting ready to collect some great castings out of this system. Well, I couldn't make it without feeding them. I already have some food pulled out for the other bins. So I was like, ugh. I was packing everything up and said, nope, I gotta go ahead and give them a little something. So there's a pumpkin, and then a frozen piece of tomato with a little lettuce and a piece of onion on there. So that'll at least get them going. And then, like I said, I'll check on them for next Wednesday, and we'll go ahead and see how that's looking and possibly give them another feeding. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.